This is the Songbird cooking. So tonight, my son is here. He has some egg wash here. It looks like a little egg wash. I don't know, he put something in it, some kind of secret ingredient. I can't give away secret ingredients. Only he can do that on his own cooking show.
That's your Chinese secret.
This is my cooking show, so I can't give you the secrets. Alright, so we're going to see what he does next. So as you can see, he's mixing it around in that egg and that secret ingredient. My peppers there next to the stuffing. There's seasoning salt here, paprika, whatever, some stuff, whatever. Sage, I know you don't need no sage. Okay. Alright. Let's see about that. Okay. Yeah.
That's the one that uses.
Yeah. And that is Louisiana.
New Orleans fish fry, seafood bread.
All right. Yeah.
You guys need to see the brand. You buy that big wide Stop and Shop.
Okay. So while he's doing that, I only have the oil on medium. I'm putting on 6. Because it looks like he's getting kind of close to putting it in the skillet. I don't want it to be too warm, and then everything falls right off. Okay.
This is the seasoning base. Add what you want to it. Add a little bit of seasoning salt.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Okay. Alright. I think can you turn off that air fryer? Because I think that it's burning my chicken. The other way. Yeah, the other way, yeah. Oh, yeah, there you go.
That's the sound you want to hear, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Yeah, that comes pre-seasoned, huh?
Yep, they just Louisiana style for like that type of fish. So, cut corners. This is perfect. Perfect for that. No self-rising.
Okay, I can pass that to you. And open it for you. Cut your hands in. You clearly see that, oh yeah, it's warming up because I can feel the heat on my hand. And which is a good thing. When I was in my 20s watching the chef show, he actually said you need to hold your hand this high up, and if you feel it there, that's when it's ready. And I'm just now feeling that warmth rising there.
I have no clue on what to do as far as cornmeal, fish, any kind of brand, but I would say self-rising cornmeal.
Oh, that's for your recipe. Okay. To make a thicker. You want, okay.
It's almost like flour, not just so much corn.
That's the mix, yeah. Flour and cornmeal mix. Yeah, and a thicker crust. Like breaded almost. You don't have to use bread when you do that. Which is good. Test it out. And you see? Yep, it's not ready.
Test it out just so you know if it's ready or not.
Yep.
This pan happens to be a little large,
and
so you know the grease isn't ready.
Right, and the eye is kind of messed up. So it is not, the temperature is not what it seems, because it takes a long time for that eye to work. So that's why I have to turn it there for a minute, and now I feel the heat rising a little at a time. It's coming up. That's why I had turned it up a little bit. That knife burning on the tip. Make some cornbread. If you can get some out, I think.
A little bit. I wasn't lying.
I think somebody used it. Somebody I know liked a lot of paprika. My mother likes it too.
That's usually what you want. I mean, the seasoning that I put in there already covers the basis of all that. You should be fine. We already dropped some seasoning on there.
Would you like some cayenne? Then I don't, because I don't have any hot sauce, so that will work. Yeah, because I'm sorry, I should have opened it. Yeah, I always do that to my tops, just because I'm heavy-handed. Yeah, so I don't always take all the paper off. Yeah, I'm a little heavy-handed. And anyway, I don't have to worry about hot sauce. And if you don't want to put it on beforehand, you can always put it on after you're done cooking. Is that it? You unplug that? When you get a moment, just I don't seem like it's. Yeah. Okay. My chicken. Yeah. I ate one small. It was very delicious with that air. Oh, that looks nice on the feet. See, it's taking a long time. I think it's just but up here is barely warm, but down, yeah, it might do one. I think it's ready. Let's see. Oh, yeah, almost, just there. It's getting there. Oh, it's sizzling some. Let's just turn it up a little bit for a second, because that's a heavy pan. It takes a long time to heat that pan. That pan's been on for like longer than before he started seasoning up that fish.
Again, very about the pan you use. This pan is a little heavier.
Very good and heavy. It's good in the oven too. It makes a good a mean roast beef. Mean roast beef, I tell you. The temperature is rising in that pan. I had to turn it up because it's not true. Oh, that burning is coming from under the eye, as usual. I did clean under it before you got here, but this stove has got to go. Turn up for a new stove again. That's what happens when you cook for real, ladies and gentlemen. Some people's stoves don't ever wear out because they don't ever cook. They don't cook.
Make sure before you put the fish in the pan, you shake it. You don't want all that excess flour in the pan.
That's the mistake I found myself making over and over, thinking I'm going to get it extra thick, and all I get is more stuff at the bottom of the pan.
Destroy your grease that way.
Yep, and I have to throw it out and start over. That pan, one thing about it, it's wide and it holds a lot. Looks like it's double the size of most skillets. So that part is kind of good. Less work. Oh yeah, look at the heat up. Definitely heat it up now. Look at it sizzling up now. Look at that. Ooh, boy, don't that just make you hungry? That's the kind of stuff that make you hungry right there. Ooh, look at those bubbles. Ooh. That's the second batch. 2 batches. Okay. Boy, I got blessed today. I didn't have a cooking show to do. I've got to do it every day. I re-signed that I would make 3 short films a day. And cooking is what I do most, but I just didn't have it today in me to do it. I was actually finishing up a short film when he came here, but it wasn't a cooking show, and he surprised me and said he was coming to cook. So see, God, the Creator, is in my corner. I asked the Creator to do everything for me, most things. And instead of trying to figure out my own things, I just, I said, you know what, God, can you just do it for me? You did. You did, see? You see that? Isn't that great? Yeah. So that bowl seems to work out pretty good. It's in the box for mixing. I suppose this is too small for the fish unless you would have cut it in half, but I figured it'll help you when you try to take it out of it. With it. I just use a fork.
If you like fish, people, again, it's the easiest way to do it. It's not really exactly cut the corner, but if you're worried about how you're going to season it, I suggest you get the same ingredients that you would do. And you can customize it on your own. I added a little secret ingredient to the egg wash. So you can add ingredients to the egg wash as well. That way you get, some people add mustard to the fish. I could have did that today, but I'll show you something else. I don't know if you sell it. Some of you folks here can sell it family, but sometimes they close it with mustard for it, along with the egg wash.
I've had it. Your uncle, they had all went fishing, and when we lived at the castle on Bay Street, the famous Rio Castle. And it was the year of the 200th birthday of the castle, because the newspaper had come in or whatever that summer, and it was like springtime, the birthday of the castle. 200. And your uncles, they went fishing, and your father, they all went fishing, came back with 82 fish. They came back, they counted them when they got back, they had 82 fish. It was your father, Wink, Anthony, what they call it, Catfish, and who else? There's one more. There was 4 of them. I think it was Arthur. I'm pretty sure it was Arthur. McIvory, yeah. So they all went fishing, they came back, they counted the fish, they had 82 fish. And it didn't take them all day. It didn't take all day. And 2 of them were cleaning the fish. One was rinsing off the guts in a bucket of water. One was scraping the scales, and then he'd throw it in the bucket where the other one was cutting the guts. They took turns, They didn't just put it all on one to clean them. They all did a part. They all had a part in it. And it was amazing. We fried it up. They took the old grill. It was kind of rusted in the back. Nobody was ever using it anymore. My grill, and they scraped it, cleaned it. One was doing that. The 3rd person. The 4th person took them in the kitchen after and washed them out in the sink, finished them off. And then Catfish, he was the one that seasoned them up. And Wink and Catfish was having an argument, not an argument, a little confrontation on how to season them. It was funny. It was kind of funny because then they started making jokes, and then Hunt started making jokes and cracking funny jokes, and everybody was laughing about it. But in the end, they also caught an eel that day. Me and your sister ate some of the eel, and you did too. You were only 6 months old, but you ate some of that eel. You didn't know the difference. Your sister didn't know what it was either. I didn't know what it was until when I was just about done with it, and then Wink showed me the head of it. I'm like, oh no. But it was pretty good. I think it looks good. I think that's good. And the crust didn't fall off. The crust did not fall off. I like that. When I make stuff, I won't lie. I'm a great cook. I know I'm one of the best, but when it comes to crust, most of the time my crust falls off a lot of times. When you use the crust on, I say you're good. So we were eating, and we ate the eel first, because that's the first thing we cooked. I think you caught more than one. Oh no, there's pepper behind you also. That one's better. Yeah, the black pepper is easier and it's better to manage. I love that one. Oh no, you gotta do it with the top because it's gonna, oh, you can do it either way. I usually do it and it comes out in the top. And that's what I do, and it comes right out in the top. And then I can see how much I have. I like that one better.
Second batch gonna have more pepper.
That's okay, I like pepper. That way, like I said, I don't have any hot sauce, and that means I don't have to use my hot sauce. I don't have to use my hot sauce. Yeah, that was a good day. But definitely, we scraped off the grill and we got the skillet out. And we brought my skillet outside, and he put the oil in, and they put it on the grill. One of them sparked up the grill. Arthur, he was telling jokes, which was fine. Him and Hunt were telling all the jokes. Hey, I had me a little pink champagne that Anthony had bought everybody a little 4-pack. That was fine. They were drinking something else. I was drinking pink champagne, which now they made it over, but it's called Pink Barefoot Bubbly. It tastes exactly like the pink champagne. Delicious. That was some good fish, but it wasn't as good as this right here. We cooked it on the grill, or we put grease in the pan, we fried it right on the grill. So basically it was hot out. That's when I learned that you should cook outside when it's summertime and not heat up the house, because they did it first. The stove was on, working, you know, but that made it so that the house didn't get heated up. And that was great. First time I seen anyone do that, so I've been doing that ever since. Whiting fillets. I have whole whitings, as y'all see before. I have the whole ones that we just cut the head off and scrape the guts out. And you have to cut.
I'm a newer age guy. 1989. Chopping my heads out. Like I said,
This is more convenient. I don't know, it just came in the store that way. I really couldn't tell what was in the box. It just said whitings. I should just know by now that the box is whole ones and the bag is the fillets. But I don't mind, you know, a little bit of that. So. Yeah, but the heads are already cut off, so that's good. But now I see the difference though, that the fillets come in a bag and the whole ones come in a box. Okay, they can right in this basket. So I made that basket for you so they can just rip through. And because I don't have any paper towels. So see, ladies and gentlemen, use this basket to help. So I didn't have any paper towels, and you can do this too. So I just used my rack. Actually, this rack is from the air fryer. So I just sat it there so he could know that he can put his when he takes it out of the pan, lay it right there. This is the only thing.
Taking out
right down in that pan right there.
Once a fish is too tough, because nobody wants to eat dry fish. So again, if you don't know what you're doing with fish, it doesn't have to be cooked that long, because you're gonna massacre it, and nobody's gonna want to eat it.
It said massacre.
Just gotta know the cook time. Pay very close attention to the pot, the grease. Make sure the grease is running. Eventually, time will run out.
Oh Oh yeah, and he's right. And seeing how it's hot now, I'm just gonna turn it down just 2 notches, not all the way down, because then it's gonna be cooled off. You don't want it to be cooled off.
Get it to that temperature.
Leave it at that temperature. So now I put it on. It was on 8. Now it's on 6. Because I want the oil to I have to get it to rise though. Yeah, we're gonna have to get the bread from the gas station, the stores closed. But I'm making cornbread too, also to make stuffing. But now since he got the fish and we're talking about the bread, I think I'll make stuffing tomorrow to go with my chicken.
That's a quick way to make fish, people. Make sure you rate this video, comment.
This is the Family Variety Show. This is Lorianne Johnson. We are filming from the Family Variety Show.
Make sure you leave your comments. Need any tips?
That's right. Watch time. Need that watch time. Watch time. See now, you see how that went in. See now it's exactly the right temperature. See? That's exactly what's supposed to happen. You see that? But these still came out perfect. Fine. Isn't that beautiful? You see when he put his in, mine, it doesn't fall off on the way to the pan like mine does.
Egg wash your feet. Egg wash your stuff before you put it in.
Well, that's one thing I didn't do the other day. I didn't use these egg wash.
Leave them in bowl too long and start to try to disassemble itself from the meat, from the protein, and you start putting more of powder, cornmeal or flour, whatever you're using. Put it back on and it starts to try to take itself off of the protein.
Okay. I don't know why people bother going to buy fish that somebody else cooked when they can make it themselves like this. It's more nutritious. And since you're the one that cooked it, you know if it's good for you or not. If you know if it's good for your sugar level, your cholesterol level, your blood pressure, whatever it is. You'll know if it's good for you if you make it yourself. And look, and it didn't even take that long. I'm looking at the clock on this film, and it's been 23 minutes.
That's like the cook time. That was prepped and cooked.
Yeah.
So you can literally fry a whole meal for your family. It's done in no time.
Yeah, and be healthy because you made it, and you know what's in it. You know?
I like to discard everything I'm using. You can put it in the same bag that the fish came out of, so you don't put it down your sink or your toilet. So simple.
Okay.
Discard this right in the trash.
This bag.
Make sure you clean up after yourself while you're cooking. Nobody likes a sloppy cook.
Just too much after, and God knows after you finish eating, you're tired. After that, it just makes you tired. And then you really don't want to do it then, it's over. Gotta wait till...
Make sure you guys clean up after yourself when you come eat.
Yeah. Yeah. Shoot, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wash your hands, use the fryer. Wash your hands because you can touch the raw meat. Nobody wants you serving your food with raw meat on your hands.
Yeah.
So make sure you're
And you can also rub your own face
Called cross-contamination.
and get sick too and catch like kind of little flus and stuff like that. I've been told from certain meats. It's just is not sanitary, point blank. Yeah, then it'll sit there. I'll be like, oh, let it soak till tomorrow. And then you look at it, it looks gooey, and you don't want to touch it at all. You're like, I'll wait till I get some bleach and bleach it out. But that's not always good. That ruins a lot of dishes and pots at times. And it's best to just do it right away and get it over with.
Healthy habit. Keep a healthy kitchen.
Here's a
As you go.
there's a thank you. There's a can opener and some kind of an opener in the drawer and it's can you open that for me? Yeah, okay, yep.
People like and subscribe to the video.
Yeah.
Please rate and comment.
Yeah, that's
Thank
right.
you for watching.
That's right.
If you have any questions, like we said, shoot your shot and we'll make sure we get back to you with a real reply.
That's right. I think it's a yeah. So this pot is so big, there's nowhere for me to store it, so I put that nail on the wall and I hang it on the wall over there. Yeah, fits pretty good there. Yeah. I don't know how to use that thing, though, Max. I don't know how to use that thing. I mean, I know how to open cans with it. Little knife. Oh, there it is. I see how it looks now. It's that part right there, see? I remember now. That's like how it was when I was a little girl. Those are the ones we had when I was little. Yup, you found it. Yeah, those are from when I was little. They were old-fashioned. Thank you. So actually, in that toaster oven, the air fryer, what I had was I put beer in that, and it was on broil. Look at how bad I gotta wash it now. It was on broil. And I put beer in it, like a whole cup of beer. I ate one, it was delicious from the beer flavor, and then I turned it on the air fryer. That piece I'm gonna wrap up in foil and save it for tomorrow for stuffing, because tonight I'm gonna be eating fish. Yep. That's what's going on tonight. Which I didn't know, this is a surprise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. Be careful, don't let that thing get yes, surprise, surprise. Isn't it a beautiful night? That cook. Ooh, look at it. Just look at it. Crunchy that gets between your teeth and hurts your gums. Okay.
Hello, baby.
This is very nice.